Discover the best slider window installation services in Orangeburg, South Carolina, with our team of local window experts. We specialize in energy-efficient slider windows Orangeburg that are perfect for both residential and commercial properties. Our custom slider windows are designed to meet your specific needs, ensuring a perfect fit for your home or business. For those seeking durable slider windows, our selection includes high-quality vinyl slider windows and aluminum slider windows. These materials are known for their longevity and resistance to the elements, making them ideal for the Orangeburg SC climate. Our weatherproof slider windows are designed to withstand harsh weather conditions, providing you with peace of mind. Upgrade your home with our modern slider windows, available in a variety of styles and designs. Our professional window services in Orangeburg offer a wide range of options, including double-pane slider windows and triple-pane slider windows, which provide excellent insulation and noise reduction. These insulated slider windows are perfect for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. If you're in need of sliding window installation or window replacement services in Orangeburg SC, look no further. Our trusted window contractors are experienced in handling all types of window maintenance and upgrades. We offer affordable slider windows Orangeburg without compromising on quality, ensuring you get the best value for your investment. Our residential slider windows are designed to enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home while providing energy efficiency. For commercial properties, our commercial slider windows offer a sleek and professional look, making them a popular choice in Orangeburg. Whether you need custom windows Orangeburg, South Carolina, or standard options, we have the expertise to deliver exceptional results. Choose from a variety of window styles, Orangeburg and window designs. Orangeburg SC to find the perfect match for your property. Our high-quality windows Orangeburg SC are crafted with precision and care, ensuring they meet the highest standards of performance and durability. Trust our local window experts. Orangeburg SC to provide you with the best slider window services Orangeburg SC. Experience the benefits of energy-efficient windows. Orangeburg, with our range of products designed to reduce energy consumption and lower utility bills. Our affordable windows Orangeburg are an excellent investment for any property owner looking to improve their home's efficiency and comfort. With our professional window services Orangeburg, you can rest assured that your project is in capable hands. Contact us today for all your slider window needs in Orangeburg, South Carolina. Our Slider Windows Orangeburg team is dedicated to providing top-notch service and high-quality products to meet your specific requirements. Whether you're looking for window replacement Orangeburg SC or new installations, we are here to help. Let us transform your space with our exceptional slider window solutions.